Hi class, this is my discussions answer for the UPS1. So mostly you don't have facing any problem to answer for these questions except for question number 3. So let me discuss for the answer question number 1A. So this is okay, question number 1. Question number 1. This is low level language, assembly language. So for question number A, identify the type of programming language. Of course, low level language. Okay. Second B, identify the type of translator based on the description table 1. Okay, translate the entire. The keyword is entire source code for this one is of course a compiler. And then second is translate assembly language. So assembly language, of course there is assembly. Assembler. Okay. Question number 2. An algorithm is a process or set of rules to be followed by a calculation or other problem-solving operation, especially by the computer. Figure 2 show the one of the technique used to represent an algorithm. So this is a flowchart. So in middle, in start and stop, what is we call the statement. So define the technique or represent the algorithm based on the figure 2, of course a flowchart. So you need to define what is the flowchart. Flowchart is graphical representation of an algorithm connected or specific symbol connected by the arrow. Arrow ni unit dimension lah. Okay. So B, begin read height and width and height. So here we need to find the BMI. Write the suitable statement for A. Yes, print. Make sure exactly spelling mesti sama. Okay, question number 3, control structure. Just a way to specify the flow of a control program. A, name 2, type of control structure in programming. 2. So sequence or repetition or selection. Okay. So I have a 3 actually. So the question need you to answer 2 only. So you just list for the first selection. Second is repetition. So extra you maybe can answer for sequence. And then explain one type. So you can choose either one the answers. Let's say I choose for the sequence. You need to mention sequence. And then now you can explain. A series of action that execute in the order written in an algorithm. Or any two you can explain as you mentioned on above. Okay, figure 4 show an example of an algorithm for one of the control structure. Okay, let me check first. The score, variable name is score. If score greater than 50, then display pass. Okay, kalau nilai skor ni lebih pada 50, so dia akan display pass. Else, okay, so this one is dua selection. Okay, ataupun selection saja, okay lah. Based on 4, write output of, okay, output dia. So sama ada dia akan keluar pass or fail. And then thank you. Tapi dia kata the score is 70. So 70 dia akan keluar pass saja. So you akan tulis make sure your spelling is correct, same as tu. And then thank you. Thank you. Siapa buat macam ni? Ini salah. Ada koma ke? Okay. And then seterusnya di figure 5 I show an example of an algorithm for one of the control structure. Okay, kita lihat dulu. So count start. Okay, yang ini adalah repetition, counters repetition. Sebab apa dia ada ICU kan? ICU. Okay. Okay. Name the type of control structure. Kita dah beritahu lah, repetition. Okay, state number of loop. So loop dia ni berlaku berapa kali? Dia start dengan 0. Dia sampai 3. Tengok 2 1, 2, 3 tu dah tak masuk. So dia ada 3. And then write possible output. Output dia keluar Java je lah. Ejaan huruf besar. Java. Dia keluar Java ni, perkataan Java ni 3 kali. Ni yang betul lah. So siapa yang buat double quotation? Java. Yang ni double quotation ni salah. Dan satu lagi, takut ada yang mandai-mandai je sendiri, JAVA. Ini salah tak sama, dia kena exactly same. Cuma tak ada double quotation. And then define object oriented programming. Yang ni ramai pelajar yang tak dapat jawab. Dia adalah a programming technique that use object. Dia guna object to design the program. Okay. So step 1, structure in OOP. So dia ada 3 kan. You dah tahu kan. So dia ada class. Yang ni dalam kuliah selalu saya sebut. Object. Satu lagi adalah method. So you jawab satu je pun dah okey. Okay, sama ada you jawab kelas ataupun objek ataupun method. Semuanya okey. Alright, itu saja untuk explanation bagi jawapan UPS 1. Thank you.